Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, then hey, my name is Natasha and thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Alright, I don't even know where to begin, honestly. I've been doing my at-home laser for, I was gonna say surgery, my at-home laser surgery, no. I've been using my at-home IPL kit for the last month. I actually can't believe it's been a month, like time has gone so quickly. This is going to be my fourth session or my fourth time doing this on my underarm. The results are completely insane. If you guys want to see how much of a difference 1 month of using this device has made on my underarm, then just keep watching now. So for those who are gonna ask, I am wearing a top. It's a bandeau, so yes, I'm wearing a top. Anyway, y'all are here for my 1 month update on my at-home laser kit. It has been insane, guys. Honestly, I feel like I'm late to the party. I feel like I should have been doing this a long time ago. I really don't understand why it took me so long to buy this. No, I knew why it took me so long, because I was afraid. I thought that I couldn't really use it because I'm a woman of color and I'm brown skin, I thought it wouldn't work on me or it might damage my skin. On my days, the results are insane. I basically have like zero hair. No, okay, I'm lying. I'm definitely lying. The hair on my underarm has basically gone down drastically. I cannot believe what my arm looks like. I'm gonna put a picture here to show you guys. I took it just the day before I filmed this video, so just before I filmed this video, and I was like, whoa, because I've already shaved my arm, so I'm all ready to just show you guys how to use it. But this is the fourth time that I'm using this IPL kit on my underarm, and I can definitely say that I am shaving my underarm like every 8 days, and when I do shave my underarm, there is like barely any hairs there. I even realized that some of the like follicles or the bits where the hair comes out of, the roots, they're basically closed. There's no hairs growing from them, and I'm just like, whoa, is this what's gonna happen to the whole of my underarm? And I also feel like it's also lightened my underarm. I feel like before, one of my major issues with my underarm was that they were dark. It wasn't really dark or terribly dark, but they were a little bit discolored from using just the shaver over the last few years. And I really do feel like it's lightened it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but honestly, this is the best investment I've made the whole of 2020. I honestly can't lie to you. I'm absolutely in love with it. I definitely would recommend it. I'm gonna start using it on my legs and my bikini area. I'm gonna start doing that this week, probably on Sunday, which is my self-care day. Today is Thursday. I'm filming this video on Thursday, so on Sunday I'm gonna start doing my legs and my bikini area. I did start doing my upper lip area. I've done 2 treatments on my little moustache, but I don't really feel like it's done much for that area, but I think maybe if I start to be more consistent, I'll start to see more change. But I can definitely say that my underarms have just, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys. If you've not seen my previous video, then make sure you watch it above. I think that was the second time me doing it, and obviously you guys can see between that second time of me using it and now, there's just been a major difference. All right, so I'm going to show you guys one time how I've been using it, just in case you've just got your kit and you don't really know what to do. I'm just going to give you a quick run through. Okay, so when you get your IPL, it looks like this. It's just this little tool here. There's a button at the back and there's a fan here. There's also 6 dots on here, which is the level, so you just decide which level you want it to go up to. This is the mirror where obviously the light comes from, and then this is the button you press to, you know, work the device. But if you don't have it near your skin, it won't work, which is really good. All right, so what you have to do with my one anyway is you have to press down the button at the end, the button in. You have to press the button at the back and then the fan will start, as you guys can hear. And then right now it's on level 1, and then if you press the button at the back, it will go to level 2, level 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it goes back down. I don't actually think it goes to level 6, funnily enough. I think that's like probably too high for everyone or anyone. If you are a woman of color, the maximum that they recommend that you should go to is a 4 for your underarm and 4 for your legs. I'm not really sure about your bikini area, but I would just say test it out. If you can manage the pain, then girl, you go as high as you want, but don't go too high. Don't go to like 6. I don't even think it allows you to go to 6, to be fair. But for my underarm, I have been using a 3. Today I'm going to up it to a 4, and I'm going to show you guys quickly how I've been using it. And yeah, I think that's all you guys need to know. Obviously, you guys shave your arm first using a shaver and clean here the screen. I've already done that to mine already, and then begin. So as you guys kind of saw, I went over like all the different areas a few times. I did repeat certain areas, and that's basically what I do. I don't think there's like really a limit or an amount that you can go over one place. I think the more you go over one area, it does start to hurt more, so obviously you're irritating that area in the skin. So I would say probably go over it about 3-4 times, which is what I normally try to do, and then I move on to the other arm and I do it the same thing, and it really takes you about 10 minutes to do this basically. Okay, so that's basically how you do this at home laser and how you use your IPL. I did use a 4 this time. It was my first time using a 4, and it definitely burnt a little bit. It was a little bit more intense than number 3, but it wasn't too bad. It was manageable, and I'm going to definitely keep monitoring how, you know, the hair grows and the results. I will come back to you guys in 1 month's time to give you guys a 1-month update, and hopefully by then I would have started doing my legs, my bikini area and my upper lip area more thoroughly and more consistently, shall I say, and I'll be able to give you guys an update on how that's going as well. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, then please leave a comment down below, you know, giving me any advice on videos that you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys have tried at home laser hair kit, or I was going to say surgery. I keep wanting to say at home laser surgery, but if you've tried an IPL before, then let me know how it goes. Where did you get yours from? How did it work? Please do not forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Please click the subscription button down below. We are on the journey to 10k subscribers. That's 10 seconds reels. We're going to make it happen in 2021. We're going to hit 10k, so hit the subscription button down below, and on to my next video. I will see you guys then. So bye.